Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to avoid toll roads on Waze. If you want Waze to find routes that don't include toll roads, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the My Waze or menu icon. From there, go to Settings and select Navigation. Next, scroll down until you find the Avoid Toll Roads option. Turn this setting on and Waze will automatically try to calculate routes that avoid toll roads whenever possible. After that, enter your destination in the search bar and let Waze calculate your route. If multiple routes are available, review them and choose the one that doesn't include toll roads. Keep in mind that in some areas, avoiding toll roads may increase your travel time or distance. If there is not a practical toll-free route, Waze may still suggest the best available option, so always review your route before you begin driving. For the best results, make sure you're using the latest version of Waze, as navigation settings and route options may vary slightly between app updates. Once everything is set, tap Go to start your trip, and Waze will guide you along a route that avoids toll roads whenever possible. And that's it. That's how you can avoid toll roads on Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.